Find a time where you will not be disturbed. Sit or lie down. Whatever thoughts come and go in your mind at this point, simply observe them as if from a distance. Now notice your breathing, and especially the still point between breaths. Breathe in through the nose to a count of 4 and out to the count of 6. Don't strain to do these breaths, just do them as best you can whilst focusing on that still place between inhaling and exhaling. If thoughts intrude, see them as coloured balloons, as separate from you, and let them go. Let them float away. You are present now. You are not controlled by your thoughts. You can acknowledge that they are simply that, thoughts. They proceed from you, but they do not own you. You control them. Recognize that fact and let them go, to be driven away by the wind. Be conscious of the beat of blood within you. Of the rhythm of your breathing. The brush of clothing against your skin. Feel the surface on which you sit and how your body presses into it. Be aware of any scents that you can smell or colours you can see. Notice the detail in the sounds you are hearing. Feel Feel the temperature of the space you are in. Spend some moments simply being aware of all that is within you and around you right now, in this very moment. This is what it is to be mindful. When you are ready, begin to go about your daily life once again, content in the reassurance that you can return to this mindfulness guide whenever you choose.